Welcome, virtual students. This video will show you how to complete the art journal activity that focuses on color. For today's activity, you will need something to put paint on, like a magazine, red, yellow, and blue paint, napkins, a water cup with paintbrushes, as well as your color wheel template, which can be found in Edgenuity. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is label our red, yellow, and blue paint swatches. So I'll start here and do an R for red. You skip 3, and then a B for blue, and skip 3, and you get a Y for a yellow. So now our primary colors are evenly spaced along the color wheel. So now we will begin to paint those sections. Okay, so next we are going to be mixing our secondary colors, so we can go ahead and label our color wheel where those belong. So the secondary colors will go in the block in between the two red and blue, or yellow and red, or blue and yellow. So the middle guy is going to be violet or purple, because red and blue make violet. Now yellow and blue will be green, and red and yellow will be orange. And remember, these are all located here because these colors make that center secondary color. So now we'll mix our paint. When you are mixing your paint, be sure you make enough paint to paint your secondary color, as well as be able to mix with the primary color to make your tertiary color, which will be what goes in here. So you need to kind of make a good bit of each secondary color. Okay, so now we have our primary and secondary colors completed. So next is tertiary. Those colors obviously fall between a secondary and a primary color. So for example, right here will be red-orange, this will be yellow-orange, this will be yellow-green, yellow-green, and then blue-green, and so on. So what I need to begin doing is mixing those secondary colors that we made back with a primary color so that we can get that tertiary color. Okay, so we are done with our color wheel. The next step will be to cut out the color wheel and mount it onto your art card. Okay, so here's the final product of your color wheel art journal activity. I cut my color wheel out, pasted it onto the art card, folded the edges over, wrote color wheel on the front, and listed my primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. Remember, if you have any questions, please feel free to email your teacher. Good luck with your assignment.